The function is on Sunday, today is Friday, and the invitation still does not exist. What happens next decides whether a family scrambles or simply opens a laptop. Typing the exact ceremony name into a design site does not return a generic card. It returns a whole shelf built for that one occasion, already sized and styled for it. A coming-of-age ceremony, a rice-feeding ritual, a housewarming, a Telugu or Marathi wedding, even a Nika card. Each has its own dedicated category, not a filtered generic template. Festivals get the same treatment. Separate categories exist for different harvest festivals, for greeting cards, for shop banners, for cricket tournament posters, and even civic awareness posters sized for a wall. None of this sits on the homepage. Finding it means searching for the occasion by its real name rather than browsing a menu built for a Western audience. Choosing the design is only half the task. Every template carries its own print page, where paper type, paper finish, and quantity turn a screen file into a card someone can hold. A matte or uncoated finish can be written on later, useful for adding a guest's name by hand. A glossy finish protects the card but refuses any pen. Small choice, permanent result. Behind every template sit quiet tools, swapping a messy photo background, generating a new image from a description, sharpening a blurry phone photo, even suggesting the wording for a caption. One hidden panel lists the invitation's exact fonts and dimensions, letting the same pairing be reused on a stage banner or a return gift tag without guessing from a screenshot. For a wedding committee or a shop with many branches, shared color kits and real-time collaboration let several people work on one file instead of circulating screenshots for approval. Schools and registered nonprofits can use every premium tool and template for free. A detail stated once in a business section, most single event visitors never scroll to. One line matters more than any other, whether a favorite design carries paid elements. Checking it early saves a late surprise 2 days before the event. The hard part was never the printing. It was knowing the category already existed, waiting to be searched for by its real name.